Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Susie and this is a travel bag, and today I'm going to show you how to pack minimally for 4 days in Disney in this backpack. Yes, today we are going to talk about how to pack very minimally for Disney. I'm also running the marathon on Sunday and I packed everything here. Because we all know how much money it costs to actually pay for luggage in airplanes these days. Let's go. So the first thing we are going to do is lay on the bed everything that we're going to need for our trip. That's the number one thing you have to be clear on, or at least I have to be clear on what I want to wear for every single day. And the days that I'm going to wear two different things, I have to also make sure that I have everything laid out on the bed. So basically, this is everything I am going to need, and it all needs to fit there. So first things first, we're gonna put whatever's bigger. We're gonna put things in these two bags and try and make it as neat as possible so it all fits there. So here's how things are going to go. I put the shoes at the bottom because they're not gonna come out till I run the marathon on Sunday, right here. And then I am going to put all my other clothes here. The reason why they're in this bag, even though it's big, is because I can get it out of my backpack and just put everything back in. We're changing hotels. We're only staying one night in one hotel and then 2 nights in the other hotel. So everything comes into just one bag. It's much easier to just maneuver with it. Okay, it's all the way there, nice and tight, and I still have a lot of room. I still have to put a lot of stuff actually. Okay, so I consolidated my buns for the Princess Leia costume into just the one box. This is what I'm gonna wear on my day there in the airport and in the airplane. This t-shirt with just a light jacket on top, and then jeans, the jeans that I'm wearing right now actually. I have to put this in the bag, but these and these can go just in whatever slot it's available. And then I have to figure out this, which is my unmentionables and my costume itself. And then this is for my water. Actually, I think, no, I have one out already, so I can put in my water bottle for the plane tomorrow. And then this is my toiletry bag. Let's see if I can show it to you. So these are all the products I use normally. I just fill them up with new stuff. It's gonna go here. This is really cool so that when you use the bathroom, you can spray and it doesn't smell since I'm sharing the room This is Colgate. This is to spray to have my hair stay put when I do my Princess Leia costume. Then these are all, I have more than I need, but I love carrying more. This is another lotion I have there. Okay, so I think these I'm just gonna put on top of everything else along this because they're bigger. Okay, so I have all my menstruables and the costume for the trip here, for the marathon, sorry, here. And I'm going to put all my gels here on this pouch, which is what I am going to wear with me for the marathon. So let's put them all in here. They are all here nicely, and now I'm gonna put it in this bag so it's all consolidated. There you go. And then we put this on top, and we still have space. Cool. Now we have all this. We have this, and we have this. These are and this is important. So these are all my electronic chargers. So I have my Garmin here. I have this because outlets are very coveted in hotel rooms. So this one has 4 outlets here, just in case. I don't want to have to fight over a slot. So this probably is going to go there. And then here in the back, let me see if I can open it. Here, there's more space. It opens all the way. I have 2 more just in case. It's better to be prepared. And this is to clean my cameras. Yeah, so this is going to go, and then here, this is, I have it just here because these are accessories for the 360 Go-To, and sometimes I put this in just my purse, my little backpack I'm gonna take with me, which I'll show you where I put it. But so this is gonna go last, and yeah, we have to fit this in. And also this is what I'm gonna throw away the day of the marathon. I'm just gonna wear this on the start line because it's usually chilly. Okay, let's put this here. They might even fit in one section, maybe not. I can put this on top, like that. We can put the masks right there, and then these can go here. I don't want them to be too scrunched because these are that's for Hollywood Studios, and this other one is for Epcot. So they sort of match my outfit. So those are gonna go here. I don't want them to like get smushed. Okay, so we're in good shape because this one is just gonna go here like that. This is an art, guys. Okay. It zips. It's a little heavy though, but I should be okay. It's only a 3-hour flight. I sit, I don't have to like walk long distances with it. So yeah. I feel like I'm forgetting something. It's not good to forget something when you're on a trip. Okay, let me show you where my cords, my electronics are gonna go, because there's a pocket here, and I'll show you as well where I put my other backpack. Okay, so this backpack is for laptops. It's actually, I'm gonna sew it before I go to bed tonight. But this is where the backpack usually goes. The laptop usually goes, but I have put my backpack that I'm going to use. It's a Kanken. It's a mini Kanken. This is the one that I'm going to use for the park. So, yeah. Very, very cool. Okay, so that's that. And then here in the front, there's another pocket right here. And this is where I am going to put this. So, yeah, and I have even more space here. So maybe I can put this here, just for the time being. And it's all consolidated. Yeah. And this is gonna go right here. So there's one thing I could not fit, and it's this. in here. I really would like to put it inside. So let's try. Okay, now let's see if I can lift it and put it in my back. Oh, Lord. I feel like I'm doing hiking and not going to Disney. Man, this is crazy bananas. It's crazy that I managed to fit all this in this backpack. Okay, I think we're done, you guys.